Hi, my name is James Han. I'm an entrepreneur and business coach. Many people say, I can listen and understand English but can't speak. And some others say, I can read and write but have no confidence in speaking and listening. Do you have these problems too? Then watch this video to the end. I'm going to share with you 4-step practice that really helped me improve my listening, speaking, and even pronunciation to advanced level in 2 months. You can do this at home, yourself, and free. Before we start the practice, we need to select the right study material. I like to recommend 2 materials. One is podcast. I chose one from an organization called CCL, Center for Creative Leadership. You can find the link down below. Because the content is mainly about leadership and management, which I'm interested in. And the speaker's pronunciation is very clear, and the speed is not too fast and not too slow, and the audio is only 3 to 4 minutes long. So that's very good for me to keep focused. And you can download the audio files and the transcripts from the site. Of course, you can choose any podcast you like. And another material I like to recommend is TV show or movie. I prefer dramas and sitcoms because it's fun and you can learn from it real life situational English. Now, let's dive into the 4-step practice. Step 1, listening. Listen to the audio from the beginning to the end several times so you can familiarize yourself with the content, speed, pronunciation, etc. You may listen to it sentence by sentence. Step 2, translation. Translate this transcript into your language so you can understand it. And after that, read it out loud. And this will be a good warming up for the next step. Step 3, shadowing. This is the main part of this practice. Shadowing means you will become the speaker's shadow, meaning you will copy what the speaker says in exactly the same way. Let me show you how to do it. We'll do this with a transcript. Later, we'll do this without transcript. 2 different executives lose their jobs. One sends out thousands of resumes, receives little response, and is angry and bitter. The other returns to school, changes careers, and creates a new professional life. Why is one executive stuck in an unhealthy pattern, while the other is able to adapt? Do you get it? Please remember this. 1. Start following him as soon as you hear. 2. Copy everything he does. So if he pauses, you pause, and if he goes up, you go up. This will improve your pronunciation, intonation, accent, rhythm, and so on. And 3. Do not murmur like this. Don't do this, but do it out loud. 4. Do the shadowing sentence by sentence and then entire transcript. With this shadowing technique, you can improve your listening skills really fast because you need to pay 100% of your attention to listening in order to listen and speak almost at the same time. And also, you can practice many more times than writing English words and sentences on your note to memorize them because saying is much faster than writing. And this will help your memory last longer. And most importantly, this will open your mouth to speak English. Once you get used to this with transcript, do this without transcript, okay? And then you may ask, how many times should I do this then? Please do this until you can shadow smoothly from the beginning to the end. So you can almost memorize this whole transcript by repetition. Finally, step 4, application. Create as many questions and answers as you can with transcript and do some role plays. For example, you may ask something like this. Hey James, I lost my job. I sent out thousands of resumes but received a little response. What should I do? And you may answer something like this. Oh, I'm sorry to hear. How about returning to school, changing your career, and starting a new professional life. Now, you know what to do. Let me ask you 3 things. Number 1, do this every day. At least 1 hour a day, complete 1 transcript in a week. If possible, set a time for this practice every day, so make it a new habit. Repetition is the father of learning. Number 2, continue working hard. You will start to see the improvement in 1 month. This 1 transcript has 360 words. If you complete 1 transcript every week, you can speak 1,440 words in 1 month and more than 2,500 words in 2 months. I believe that is enough for you to speak with anyone about almost any topic. So you must commit, follow through, and grab that improvement so you can have a sense of accomplishment, confidence, and momentum to keep going. Number 3, start today. Your upgraded English will bring you more and more great opportunities to your business and life. Please send me a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you like this video, make sure to click on the button, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you very much. See you next week.